Starting with an equilateral triangle, connect the midpoints of each side and divide it into 4 smaller equilateral triangles. So what has happened here is you have these 4 equilateral triangles, right? And then shade the middle one blue, leaving the others blank. Repeat it with the top smaller triangle and so on indefinitely. What fraction of this large triangle is shaded blue? So if I were to name the vertices or some of the vertices to help me explain it clearly, so we can say that the area of ADF, which is this area, is equal to the area of DFE, equal to the area of EFB, and equal to the area of CDE, which is a top triangle. So they are all equal and they divide the triangle ABC into equal parts. So you have this equal to 1/4 of the area of ABC. And then if we were to say that the area of ABC is x, so we can write this as 1/4 x, and also the area of DGI, that's this triangle, equal to this is this and equal to the top triangle, which is CGH, and that would be equal to 1/4 of the area of CDE. So that would be 1/4 times 1/4 x, that is 1 out of 16 x. So you see this is 1/4 x, 1 out of 16 x. This would be 1 out of 16 times 4, so 1 out of 64 x, 1 out of 64 times 4, 1 out of, that is 6, 256, so 1 out of 256x. Okay, so it goes on that way. So what we can do is, we can just form a series that the area of the blue parts would be 1/4 of x plus 1/16 of x, that's this one, 1 out of 16x, plus 1 out of 64, then 64 times 4, 1 out of 64 times 1 out of 4, again 1 out of 64 times 1 out of 4 times 1 out of 4x, and so on. So the infinite geometric series, or the sum of the infinite geometric series, would be the total of the blue part, and that would be 1 out of 4 plus 1 out of 16 plus 1 out of 64. So that would be the fraction that is shaded, by the way. So here when I say total of the blue part, here it is a fraction, because it was x, we took the x off because it's the fraction shaded. So then sum to infinity is a out of 1 minus r, where mod r is less than 1. So r is a common difference, so r is 1 out of 4 and a is 1 out of 4, and so I can write that sum to infinity is 1 out of 4 divided by 1 minus 1 out of 4, which is 1 out of 3. So the answer is 1 out of 3. So that would be the total area of the blue parts if you were to continue indefinitely, forming these, dividing the triangle into parts.